Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to turn on push notifications for memories on Facebook, ensuring you never miss a moment from your past. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Next, look for the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it to reveal a list of options. Once you're in the menu, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, locate the Notifications section. You may need to scroll a bit more to find it. Once you see it, tap on Notifications to access all notification settings available for your account. In the Notifications menu, look for Memories. This section allows you to customize how you receive notifications about your past memories. Tap on Memories to proceed. Finally, here comes the crucial step. Toggle on Push Notifications. By doing this, you will start receiving notifications directly on your device whenever Facebook has a memory to share with you. This ensures that those special moments from your past are just a notification away. And that's it! You've successfully turned on push notifications for memories on Facebook. Now, every time Facebook reminds you of a cherished moment, you'll be notified right away. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Facebook experience. Thank you for watching.